Okay, so here's another interesting one. From time to time I get asked if I can get these cheap rubbish antennas off eBay and sell them. So I usually refuse, but people don't know why. I'm about to show you. About to tear one of them to bits. You can see how much junk they really are. They're crud. I'm not really going to be too careful about it because, well, as I said, they're crud, so I don't really care. But okay, so after a quick pause and a bit of a curse and a swear, we're back. And this is what we find. So, there we go. Top quality soldering job. Fantastic. Oops. That's real good, isn't it? That'll do a lot for your radio. Here's one of the, I suppose you call it the elements. Nothing like a bit of spring. So the quality of the coax is pretty top notch. Anyway, like I said, that's why generally when I'm asked to provide these things, I refuse. They have been used successfully on things like paging receivers and what have you, and scanners. For anything else, yeah, no, I don't believe I'd trust these for $5, whatever they're worth. I don't think they're worth much more. In fact, I don't think they're worth that. Anyway, subscribe. Might have a few more of these coming up.